Hello everyone, today we're going to keep going with Unit A. Where do they come from? We're going to review about the passive voice in present. Remember that you needed to study the verbs in past participle so we can do this easily, okay? Remember that we have this chart, and if you need this you can find it on internet or ask me to send them to you. Remember that you have regular verbs and the irregular verbs, okay? Remember that the irregular verbs are the different ones. They change the forms. They change the forms from past simple to past participle, and the regular verbs are the ones that stay the same from the simple past to the past participle. You can check adore, present, adored, past simple, and past participle adored is the same. Here, lie, past simple, light, past participle, light. Okay? For example, stay, state, stay. They are the same. Okay? But you have to learn which verbs are regular verbs and which verbs are irregular verbs. Okay, the irregular verbs change most of the time. They're very different. Okay, you have, for example, hurt, hurts, hurt. It's the same from present to past simple and past participle. For example, hold, held, held. It's the same from past simple to past participle. What about where? Where, wore, worn. Okay, here we have drink, drank, drunk, drive, drove, driven, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, fall, fell, fallen. Okay, and so you can check this at home. Okay, remember that the passive voice is formed by the subject, the verb to be in present, and the past participle form of your main verb. You can say know, wear, produce, create, made, use, sell, etc. Okay? And the rest of the tense. Remember that to make a passive voice sentence in negative, you always add not, okay, next to the verb to be. And then you are going to do the exercises of the page 101, okay? I didn't put the picture here because my book is already answered. You're going to do student's book, page 101. Activity 10 and 11. Activities 10 and 11. These activities are super simple. Last week you made some of them similar to this, okay? These two, 10 and 11. You did similar activities at home, okay? Remember, take your books, okay? Take your student book, and I'm going to read the instructions for you. Exercise 10. Put the words in order to make statements, okay? Number 1, you have plate, clay, that, made, is, of. Okay, so you need to put the sentences in order. Remember that you have to begin by a subject, okay? Then you add the verb to be in present, then the verb in past participle, and the rest of the verb, okay? Exercise 11. Make sentences. Use the present simple passive form of the verb in parentheses. This exercise is much easier, okay? You're going to write the verb to be here in present on the blank. It says, number 1, those sweaters, blank, were, between parentheses, in Norway. Okay, remember that you need to write the verb to be, is, or are, depending if it's plural or singular, okay? For example, are warm or is warm. And the verb that is given to you between parentheses, you are going to write it in past participle, okay? These planes, number 2, blank, developed in Greece. 3, flower pots, blank, make of clay. 4, cotton, blank, to make towels. 5, rubber, blank, produce in Brazil. I hope this is clear. So remember that if you have questions, you can tell me. Take pictures of the exercises and send them to the platform so I can check that you are doing well in your assignments. Okay, I'll see you the next time. Have a nice day tomorrow. Play with your family and stay home. See you the next time. Bye.